Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Halloween look, obviously. So I'm going to be doing See No Evil. I'm going to be turning this into this and all that jazz. Basically, I'm just going to make it look like I had my eyes gouged out of my face. And once again, this is something that would require you to cover your eyebrows, and I still don't have a glue stick, nor do I feel like doing it anyway. So we're just gonna have a lot of fun, and I'm gonna do it like all the way up here or just right here, I guess. I don't really know yet. And we're just gonna avoid the eyebrows as much as possible. I already know this is like a horrible idea, but we'll see how this goes. All right, let's hop right in.
All right, so once you have officially subjected yourself to self-torture, all you're gonna need for this look is a Q-tip or mini, some cotton balls, and of course, liquid latex.
Doing super fun stuff today. Super fun stuff. Ew, that's gross. Whenever I work with liquid latex, I'm always just like, I don't want to do this, but it's so fun.
Okay, so once you get yourself all situated, just grab that liquid latex with your Q-tip and start dotting out the line around your eyes where you're gonna lay your cotton.
Oh, I'm gonna hate this later. Why did you want to do this look? Oh, because it's fun, that's why. But really, Trish, why did you want to do this? Why do you enjoy torturing yourself like this? I do it for the love of it.
So you're just going to continue with this step for a pretty long while, which is just circling your eye with that liquid latex and layering on cotton balls until you are satisfied. Please do keep in mind that this process is a little messy and that you're working over a workspace that you don't necessarily care about or you are prepared to mess up. And please be cautious of your eyebrows, because I'm gonna tell you, it is quite painful to have your eyebrows stuck underneath this stuff. I am talking from personal experience. It's not fun. So if you're a little hesitant about it, I don't blame you. But if you're a little brave, go you. Kudos.
I'm gonna let this dry. And just to conserve time for this video, I'm gonna use the magic of editing to turn this to this.
Now for this part, you just need to get a concealer or a foundation stick or whatever the hell you have that resembles your skin tone to go over that dried latex. So now you're going to want to take a red cream paint and fill in the inner eye area. Be careful if you're using the Makeup Forever Flash palette. That's what I'm using. You're actually not supposed to use their red tone around your eye area. I did not remember this until it was too late, and I was just like, F it, I'm already doing it, and I take risks anyway. Please don't be like me. Don't use it. Use something else. After that, you're just going to take any eyeshadow palette you have, preferably one with a lot of different colors in it. I'm using the NYX Swear By It palette, and I'm just using a bunch of browns and reds and maroon tones to go around the eye area so that it looks like it's a little bruised. And I'm taking a black on the inside just to darken up the inner edges to give it some depth. Now I am taking a small detailed brush and I'm just dipping that into the black tone from the Makeup Forever Flash palette, and basically wherever you see a hole or a crevice, just go ahead and put some black in it, because that's going to give you even more definition and add even more depth into your scarring or whatever, the gouging of the eyes on your face, to make it look more 3D and realistic. Come on, guys. Clearly, it's a look. Yes, girl, slay. And now it's time for the best part. Blood. Get yourself some bloody scab and layer it on. And I seriously mean layer it on. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up, fill it up, fill it up.
Okay, so this is the look. It's a look, for real. And it's a lot. But if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, get off my channel. If you want more content like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more notifications to know when I upload. I upload every week. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye. Okay, where's the camera?